my name is Samanta. I'm a professional makeup artist. I've done a couple of films, a couple of TV shows and magazines, a little bit of everything. And well, I have this YouTube channel, which I normally do makeup videos and things like that. But today is my first time. In a lot of years, I'm going to do this video on English, which I'm very nervous because, as you know, English is not my language. I'm Mexican, just Espanol. But I'm giving it a try. So I hope you like it, and we're gonna do this makeup look today. So don't forget to subscribe. I'm gonna leave you my Instagram account as well if you want to see more daily makeup looks. And well, I hope you really like it because it's very hard and I'm super nervous. You can probably see I'm gonna make a lot of mistakes because I haven't practiced English that well in such a long time. Besides, I'm not saying I'm good at it, but I'm giving it a try. So thumbs up for trying it. And so let's start with this amazing makeup look. Hi, well, let's start with this makeup. I'm a little bit nervous because it's my first time making this video in English, and definitely English is not my language, so I'm giving it a try so we can get to more people, get to know these loving crazy looks. So I'm gonna start with something way more fun because here it's really warm and sunny, and I want something that has that vibe as well. You know, happiness. We've been on lockdown for 2 years, so we want to get as much sun as much as we can. So I'm gonna have to try to bring this fun makeup look for you. And well, I already primed my eyes. That's all I'm wearing at the moment. I'm using these two shadow insurance because remember, the eyelids are the most greasy part of our whole face. It doesn't matter if you're not on the oily side, your eyelids are. So that's one of the main reasons why makeup don't last, you know, eyeshadows. So prime them is something way important. So now let's start. I'm gonna use this Minted by MAC. You don't have to use this. The things I use are the ones I recommend because I really like them. But you can use whatever you have on hand. It's just to see the technique, and then you can use change colors, change brands. It's totally okay. So let's start. I'm gonna put a little line. Don't worry if it's not perfect because we're gonna blend it in anyways. So I'm using this Meow brush, number 9, and let's just blend. When I do colorful eyes or really smoky ones, I prefer to do the eyes first and then the face. Well, I think most of the times I do this because we can clean. That's the main reason. But if you believe, or for you it's easier the other way, go around. This is just a way to teach you how to, but you can always change it. And you can see blending is quite subtle. We just want a little bit of green on it. And now we go on the inside part. And there we go, just a tiny bit. And we will blend it as well. And now we are going to add a sparkling green. I'm using this Rendezvous palette from ColourPop, and has really beautiful colors in it. I'm gonna use this green, which I think is called Catch, and this one, that's Let's Do It. So let's start with the green. Oh no, I'm sorry, I'm telling you bad names. I was looking them on the back and they had the names down here. Oops. Well, the green is Release. So let's put a little bit of Release on here. Just a pop. And with another pencil, just a little tiny one. This is from Meow's Words 11. We're gonna put on the one we blend. We'll put a powder on top of it. It will make everything stronger and last longer. That's what we want. And now we go with Two Birds, which is this beautiful golden eyeshadow. Wow, it's potent. I thought it wasn't gonna be this strong, but I like it. With a clean brush, because you don't want to mess what we already have. Something like this that's rounded and a little bit fluffy. I think I'm gonna put a little bit of this, a fling, just tiny bit. Just tiny bit of fling to blend this together and go on the top. Looks gorgeous, don't you think? We're just getting started. So now, let's go. We're gonna add a little bit of black. This is from MAC Black Jackets, a gel eyeliner, which, to be honest, I think the gel's eyeliner of any brand are way easier to apply. So if you don't know how to apply it very well, try with gel. It's really more easy. Now, you can see I'm nervous about this first video because I simply can't find anything when normally it's very easy for me, but well, it's part of this. I'm gonna line really subtle. I don't want too much. A liner, just a little bit down here. Really close to our eyelashes. That's it. So I'm gonna put some falsies in it with the other eye, and then I'll come back. Now that I have both of my eyes almost ready, I have this Sephora eyeliner, which is in purple. We're gonna line underneath. Okay, there is. And I'm gonna put something, like I told you before, a little bit of powder to make it last the whole time. And I'm going on this, I think this is my favorite Maybelline palette. This ColourPop. I don't know why, but I think this one is way creamier than the other ones. I really like this. The colors are super vibrant. Now I'm gonna go with this one that's called Grape Pop. I'm gonna go on top. And now I'm going to add a little bit of blue. This is called Fresh Water. This is from MAC. Just a tiny bit. Just on the inner corner of the eye. Because I want more color in it. But you know, you can always stop where you feel like, okay, this is too much for me, I'll just leave it like this. You can always do that. Also, if you feel like fake eyelashes is too much, you can just put like a lot of coats of mascara and it will look amazing as well. So finally, we're done with the eyes, and now let's go for the rest of the face. I'm gonna use this. This is from Maybelline 24 Hours Super Stay, which I totally love. I use it a lot for myself, not on clients, but I think it's like a great foundation for every day, especially if you've had oily skin. So you can see I'm almost done. I have this amazing makeup tool that you should totally get. Since you can take like what's right on the bottom, so you don't have to throw it away. I mean, it's an amazing tool. You'll love it. I don't know. I think it's called the makeup spoolie or something like that. Amazing tool. Or you can use whatever tiny spoolie you have. And so, to make a quick foundation, I'm gonna use this Real Technique brush. You can see my dog approves it as well. So let's just blend this in. Now it's time for some Tarte. I don't know what it's called. Tarte. I don't know. We're gonna use a little bit down here, a little bit up here. You have to be careful because you don't want to take what we already put on those colors. So it's easier if you take like a fluffy brush. I'm gonna use this as well for Meow. And just blend it in really carefully. And let's just blend it with our foundation. Beautiful. And I'm gonna do a light contour. I know contour is not a thing anymore, but come on, who doesn't like a good contour? So I'm gonna do it not that strong. I just want a tiny bit of it, just a little bit of good color on it. So I'm using this one. It's from Chanel, Solei Tan, which I absolutely adore this product. It's a little bit expensive, but it's totally worth it. So I'm gonna take a little bit of this. I'm gonna do my contours with this. You see, just instantly makes your face looks better. And now let's go to the rest of the face. I have to do my eyebrows. I'm gonna comb them a little bit through. Just a little bit. Because sometimes if you have a good eyebrow, it's not my case, but if you do, you just need to comb a little bit and then that's all you need. Just fill in the little gaps in there, or the big ones in my case. And I know there's a lot of creams and things and powders for the eyebrows. But lately, I don't know why, I've been liking going back to powders. So this is the one from Anastasia Beverly. And I'm just going to fill them in a little bit with powders. I don't know, maybe this is 90s thing coming back. And I feel the need of this 90s brow, who knows? And now with this 90s eyebrow, which I love. Now let's go back to the lips. Or well, start off with the lips. I'm gonna go with this NYX Pencil Natural. Just going to put it on the lip. I don't want a bigger mouth. I think I have pretty good size.
That's what she said.
So I'm just going on the natural lip line, because this is just going to help my lipstick stay longer. And now I'm going to go with this. This is Velvet Teddy from MAC. I'm gonna do it straight from the bullet. And we're gonna use an old lady's trick. With your own lipstick, just put a little bit on your hand. And I'm gonna use, well, the same brush I used for contour. Just take up some of the color and just apply it as a blush. And then you'll have the perfect blush that matches your lips. And last, I'm gonna add a little bit of powder because I'm more on the oily side. So if I don't put powder, I'm gonna be super shiny and not on the good ways. But if you leave it like that or just put it in the T-zone, you look amazing. I do have to put a lot, so let's just put on a little bit of powder. I like to put it on a wet sponge. I think it settles better and it makes it last longer. So, well, I don't know if you knew these tips already, or it's something you learned, I hope you do, on this video. So, and what I would really love to see is send me your pictures. I would love to see if you try this look, how it looks on you. Well, it's easier on Instagram, so I'm gonna put my Instagram in here so you can follow and we can have more of an everyday chat. I'm gonna finish powdering and I'll come back. And well, this is the final look. And I hope you like it, you enjoy it as much as I do. And that you like everything about about this video. I know there's always things to improve. I know my English needs a lot to improve, but well, I'm Mexican, it's hard. I don't live in the States or anything like that. But I'm giving it a try, so I hope you like it. And if you do, and if you like the effort, thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe because it's your way of helping me. If you recreate this look, I would love to see it. So tag me on Instagram, I would love to see it. And well, that's it. I hope you have a really warm, sunny day so you can try it out. Because it looks really makes me say, go out and enjoy the day. Thank you so much and see you soon. Bye.